What's up guys? Today I'm gonna show you how to add a border around the image. It's really easy to be honest, yeah? First, let's get the picture. Let's get this image, I like it. Copy. CTRL, and then CTRL and V, copy and paste, I think it is. All you do is just this. You see, paste. Yeah, it's a really nice image. Now we go to the layer. You press the left mouse button 2 times. We go to stroke, like you can see, and now you got center, you got inside. With the capacity, you can make it brighter, like you see. Let's do it a little bit like this. You see, like this you can make any border and any image you want. You know. Now it looks like a painting with the border on it. Yeah. So this is it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video, the clip, and soon we're gonna do something else. Yeah. Have a nice day. Peace out.